हेलो गाइस, होप ऑल आर देयर। सबको दिख रही हूँ? कैन यू जस्ट कमेंट?
Yes.
So today we are actually doing our first live session in this group. So I wanted you to be a part of it. Okay. So few people have joined. So I have to wait. So today let me tell you exactly like who is the guest over here. She is one of a digital marketer who has been very renowned. उनके बारे में बोलना ही बहुत लाइक इफ आई टेल यू आल्सो बहुत कम पड़ेगा बिकॉज शी हैज बीन प्रैक्टिसिंग इन डिजिटल मार्केटिंग फ्रॉम अ लॉन्गर टाइम and she is a you can say queen of LinkedIn marketing and just trying to also tell you something about her. She is also a co-founder of uh, High on M, which is already must be knowing. Some of you guys must be knowing. Mr. Gaurav Madani is the one of the founder of High on M, and she is the co-founder. Okay, so let me just check whether she's online or not. Just give me a minute. Okay, I guess she's there. Okay, just a minute. Okay, so she's there. Let me welcome her. Hi, Roshni.
Hi,
How are
Smita.
you?
I'm super high on life always.
Okay, so guys, let me introduce Roshni. She is one of the digital marketer who has been featured by LinkedIn Top Voice. She is also most known writer in LinkedIn marketing. Okay, and she's the co-founder of Hinem, which and you can always she's already a gorgeous lady. I always find him so inspirational. What to say about you? She has mentored a lot of digital marketers and has already taught them on how to leverage the digital marketing and how to leverage specifically in LinkedIn marketing. Okay, so let's start with some of the questions, Roshni. So the first question to you. See, we already have a lot of social media platforms. So why did you choose LinkedIn to be a part of it, or why did you like? How did you land on to LinkedIn marketing?
Many of us, a lot of people, they already knew that my sound is fine.
Guys, please inform. Just comment me if you can hear us. Please comment. Is the voice audible to all of you? Hello. It's fine. Can you hear me? Please comment. Is the voice audible to all of you? I can hear you. Uh,
Okay, I just wanted
somebody.
to confirm my voice is clear.
Yeah, somebody is writing fine, not fine. So I guess I am able to hear you. The people would be able to hear you. Okay.
Okay,
Yes, now it's fine. Okay, so
fine.
we can start. Yeah.
Perfect. So, using LinkedIn was not my first thing to start with one. But I used to, I was working with DSIM, which is the Delhi School of Internet Marketing, like 2015. Yeah. So there I was working as an HR. So I had no choice to write because I wanted to write something, but I had no things, some no digital platform. I was not aware of it, anything where to write. Because see, when you are into digital marketing,
Roshni, I'll just interfere. Your voice is cracking. I guess people are saying it is echoing a lot. So can you just check once from your end? Voice is cracking. Your voice is
okay,
echoing a lot from your end. Mine voice, I guess.
okay,
Okay.
so is it
Okay.
fine
So
now?
still it is echoing. I can also make. My voice is okay, but Roshni voice is echoing. Just
I'm not sure. Is it fine now? I think it should be fine, please. Just let me
yeah,
know if my voice is perfect.
and still a little. Okay, is the speaker on? I
Yeah,
guess maybe
speaker.
that is the reason. Maybe that is the reason. Okay, we can start. So should you
Is it?
want me to repeat the question or it's fine?
No, I'll
Okay.
be really quick here because we already wasted like few of minutes here. So yeah, I used to work with JSAM as an HR, and that time I had no choice to write about something because digital space I had not enough choice. Not enough is like एक भी कुछ नहीं था ऐसा वहाँ पे. So I started using LinkedIn for hiring purpose because Kunal is a founder of JSIM. So he actually, I was using Naukri database first, and then I really wanted to try something else so that I could get more candidates, right? So LinkedIn was one of the premium platform that time to hiring people. That's the reason I started LinkedIn for hiring purpose. So I used to
Okay.
post about hiring, that company is hiring, and you can get the job in, and multiple things about. Then apart from the hiring, I don't know since when I started writing about some other things as well related to my personal life, my storytelling, what exactly I used to do, and it's just like I found a platform where I could write something, and
Okay.
when I was writing there, I started getting attention from the people, and those are not a regular people. It's just like some of the CEO and founders, co-founders, managers. So I was getting attention from those people. And my Facebook and Instagram profile was they were like messed up. I used to share anything. So
Okay.
that's how I started using LinkedIn because I start getting like a lot of engagements from people. So I thought like this could be one of the platform actually I can leverage. So this was the
Okay.
my journey how I started got into LinkedIn.
Okay. So that's the reason LinkedIn is your one of the main platform for
Yes.
you. Okay.
Yes.
So now the second questions would be like one of the member of my group actually has told me to ask you this question.
Mhm.
How a blogger or a affiliate marketer is going to going to benefit out of LinkedIn?
Perfect. See, understand one point. What is LinkedIn and what are other social media platforms? These platforms are traffic platform, right? Where we get traffic. Whatever we put, whatever the content or video, whatever the form you put in, we get traffic. LinkedIn is one of the traffic source, right? When we talk about affiliate marketing or we talk about bloggers, what they do generally, we need traffic and we need product, right? So you have to understand it, LinkedIn is not a direct platform to sell anything. So basically, we have to leverage LinkedIn in a way like a storytelling that what we are doing, like a thought leader, as a what exactly our thought are, and like a recommendation, a voice opinion, or kind of a recommendation. These are the platform because you can't go there and you tell that okay this is the product and I'm using it just go and buy it. You can't do it, even you can't do it on the Facebook and any other social media platform also. You obviously no one is like a smart person, no one would do that one, right? LinkedIn is one of them. I don't sell there. I speak. I share my story. I always do things in a storytelling way. So this could be a wonderful platform for bloggers to actually stand out from the crowd when they speak about something which actually the bigger audience. When I say like bigger audience, it's like a tier one or tier two traffic. So actually, you can connect with those people. So you definitely can leverage LinkedIn for affiliate marketing and for blogging purpose. So when I say like blogging, you write a longer article or maybe smaller article where what you can repurpose those content, right? You can actually chunk out some the little bit content and you can put it on the LinkedIn. You can give the CTA, which is a call to action button on your link, on your article, on your video, and you can redirect those traffic to your website or your video, wherever you want to redirect those traffic, you can do it. That's a similar way you can do it. That's how I do it with my LinkedIn profile itself.
Okay. And now coming to the third question. See, this is again one of the question from the member. So I wanted to know, is LinkedIn advertisement is effective? And what is the average cost or the budget that we should take for LinkedIn marketing?
I don't suggest people to go with the LinkedIn advertisement because I also don't go with the LinkedIn paid advertisement at the moment. Reason behind it because till you don't have a high budget product, for example, like $15,000, $10,000, $20,000, you don't have that high ticket product, you should not go with the LinkedIn paid ads because it's very expensive. Sometimes it's just like a like 200 or 300 rupees. Sometimes it's like 600 rupees. We basically click what we get. It's generally very expensive comparatively other social media platform. If you don't have a higher product value, then don't go with one. Because now these days, LinkedIn is giving good results when we talk about the it's organic way. So use it in organic way. If you have got the product, then definitely you should go. So when I say like high product price, that could be a property, or maybe that could be a like 15, $20,000 of the anything price, or you may be consulting, or maybe event price, which is higher than 5,000 or $10,000, not even INR dollars. So because it's a limiter when we calculate the entire thing budget. So it is the LTV, which is a limit lifetime of value of the customer. That's how we calculate the entire budget, and that's how we put the budget in the advertisement, and we get the ROI, right? So LinkedIn
Okay.
is definitely not for the paid one.
So you are saying it's more into organic way of growing your business?
Yeah, it's not totally not depends on the LinkedIn, to be honest, because I do. It's like omniware marketing. Everywhere I do the marketing part. I don't suggest people for paid marketing on LinkedIn. There is a reason because generally people see there is just like a for example. I'm just giving an example. Like 10% people go for a paid advertisement. 90% people they go for organic one. They want to save the money, right? And 10% people have the budget to spend on like $100,000 or $50,000. They have got the budget to spend on. When we talk about the bigger companies, they have got the budget for advertisements, right? But 90% people they actually don't go with the paid one because their product value is less. For example, if I'm selling something which is 1,000 rupees, 2,000 rupees, 3,000 rupees, obviously I'm not going to use LinkedIn for that one because my CT, it's just like click rate would be a different one. It would be higher one. That's why I won't use LinkedIn for the paid one. I would go with the organic one.
So when you talk about organic marketing, in that case, what would be the strategies that you use to grow LinkedIn organically?
Smita, I'll tell you exactly the best
Any
way on
scenario, if you want to give it a scenario, maybe a project where you have handled this kind of situation,
sorry, can you repeat the
like any organic, like if you're saying it's more into organic. So if I want to grow my LinkedIn profile organically, what kind of marketing strategy should I use it? So, like to leverage my LinkedIn account.
Okay. So it totally depends what you're selling, first of all, okay? Like you as a service or you have a product. So whatever you're selling something, right? You use your LinkedIn. So if I take an example, I work with 17 or 18 clients. When I started in project in the consulting field, I started with like my 10,000 rupees only with this social media marketing, which I got from LinkedIn itself. Honestly, the God promise, I I got all clients from LinkedIn itself. That was totally inbound. I did not reach out to anyone, to be honest, because they saw my profile. They come to my profile. They saw my profile. So till now, I get a lot of projects. So the best thing is how you stand out on LinkedIn. Okay, what exactly the content you give, what exactly your thought is,
Correct.
because someone is not talking to your company, someone is talking to you, okay, as a person deals with person doesn't deal with a company. So you have to stand out in a way that you can take care of their company or their service, whatever your service providing. So LinkedIn is all about content. how
Mhm.
good you are creating content. Content is not an article, okay? I mean, obviously it is an article, one of the part of the article, but I don't say go for a bigger article. This should be a post, small post, like how exactly how visionary you are and where you stand, what the story
Mhm.
you have, what kind of a story you share, right? That's how other people, when we say other people, that means they could be client, they could be business owners or anything they could be. They come to your profile, they see your profile, they understand the kind of a person you are, right? That's how they decide the thing. And the other thing is, LinkedIn is all about not all about like having more followers. Okay, people they go crazy about like having a more followers. Even other social media platform also. I don't understand it. Why even they go crazy about followers? You should not, right? Because when you have 2,000 connections also, and understand one point, these connections are relevant to your industry. And when you are posting something, so it reaches out to more people. Still you have 2000 connection, but it is actually reaching out to 50,000, 20,000, 30,000, whatever the reach is huge. That's how you calculate the entire thing. So your content does matter a lot when we talk about LinkedIn.
Okay. And what do you think? What is the scope and the perspective for maybe for a student or maybe for a business? Like you can give a two different scenario. What kind of scope does LinkedIn have?
Scope, I don't say exactly the scope, but the thing is how I see a huge potential from LinkedIn itself. But it is just like you must have heard from Gary Vee itself that he says, and many other social media influencers also, they may have said this too. That's like LinkedIn currently, as in the phase of 2012 or 13, like a Facebook, right? So LinkedIn is in that phase at the moment. So when you
Mm-hmm.
use LinkedIn, so you get early to reach to those people in the early age itself. So you get really good fruits, to be honest. And even I'm not sure like it is a true or not. LinkedIn like reach, they have started slightly decreasing now. Maybe they are testing it out the new things. Could be a reason. Uh, like, we're not sure like how long it is going to be the same results driven platform as we currently we are getting, right? So when we talk about students or any business, so it is the perfect time. It is the perfect time to get into it, enter into this field, and whatever. For example, if you are searching for a job, then build your profile first. Okay, profile optimization is must in LinkedIn because it's your first resume. I always say to people, whoever is searching for a job, so I always say that you should actually consider your LinkedIn profile the first priority. You should optimize the profile. And in terms of business or service, also you should optimize your profile. So profile optimization is a must in LinkedIn. And then start putting content because without content, without consistency, nothing will gonna happen. So I left in between because I was doing some other stuff in like 6 or 8 months. So my reach, decreased a bit. Then I started posting regularly. So my reach again it has picked up. So that's how LinkedIn deals. So you have to be very, very careful whenever you're using. So you have to be more consistent about the content. And
Content.
yeah, when we talk about the content, a lot of people sometimes I also get lost, kind of a thing that what exactly the content I could earlier days, to be honest, because I had no clue. Every day, writing article, finding something unique and write about that one. So then I realized it is not something that writing a content or writing about the social media service what we are providing. It's not about us. It's about others. It's about others. Like it's about you, right? If I'm talking to you, it's about you. It's not about me. So I started things putting and connection between my story to the marketing story. That's how I connected and created the 30-day calendar or 21 days calendar. Just make it out those kinds of a calendar so that you can put out a little bit of content every day. And just like fill out those blocks 21 days and just regular it. Make it a habit. And I'm sure that once you put some content and you're regular with the platform, whatever your end goal is, because you have to decide it what is your end goal. I can't say that what's your end goal, right? Either it can be a job or it can be a project, whatever your goal. So make it all the content according to your goal, align it with the 21 days, and post content regularly in a day or day two, whatever you decide, just do it. So that's
Okay.
how you get the results.
So when you are saying about content, what kind of content is preferable in LinkedIn? Because every platform has a different, like we put content on a different ways. So in LinkedIn, what kind of content we should put?
Storytelling. There's a difference between a content writing and a copywriting, right? And content writing is a piece of content when you give some specification about the things that you know, right? What I mean. And the copywriting is something that, in a very small way, we are selling something, but we are telling something. That's like copywriting. So it's all about storytelling. How good storyteller you are. So no one has actually trained themselves in a storytelling way, because we all have got a lot of stories. We every day watch news. We every day we read something, going, reading a lot, consuming a lot, right? So don't keep it here. ठीक है, यहाँ पे रखने की जरूरत नहीं है सारी चीजें. Sometimes थोड़ा दिमाग लगा के बाहर लेके आके उसे थोड़ा सा राइट कर दिया. It's just like a notepad. What I do, जब when I go out, when I see some रेडी वाला, अंडा वाला, anything, I just touch my mind कि अच्छा कुछ लिख दो. Like I just click the
Yeah.
picture and relate a story. And even I go to chai wala also, I see something people are discussing and I write something about it. अच्छा ये हो सकता है कि ये story हो
Mhm.
सकती है. ठीक है, मतलब it can be anything. So what you can do is you can go to Quora or Quora, whatever you can call it. So Quora.com, just go there, find out some of the questions, whatever the people are actually asking, what people are related to your industry. People are confused, right? They don't know how to start and what to start, what to
Yes.
write. Go to Quora or maybe Twitter also. You can go. You can type your subject, and you can find a lot of questions. So what you can do is either you can take that question, you can answer it, and you can post it on your profile, or what you can do is you can ask the question as well, because there has to be different polls and questions, voice opinions, a lot of other kind of content you can ask, right? So this will be basically give you an overview, an idea what to post and how to post. So that could be a huge, I mean, help for you to creating the content.
Okay. Okay. And the last question, and after that, I'll be actually going through a rapid fire round, which will be very spontaneously. You have to you have to give me an answer. But the last question I would ask you, like, though you are expert in LinkedIn, what kind of
Now I'm
tools should
practicing.
we use?
Cut it out here, guys. I'm not an
Okay.
expert. I'm just still practicing. Yeah,
Okay.
please go in.
Okay. Should you answer that? The tools that we use for LinkedIn?
There are many tools, but generally I don't prefer using any tools because LinkedIn is very much strict about their platform. When they see any kind of activity, you are actually going, just misuse it. So they'll permanently ban your account. They will not give you any other chance. So I don't use any other tool, to be honest. A lot of people, they do the automation part. You can do it. You can take a chance, but I don't do it because I have got a bigger account, to be honest. So मैं रिस्क नहीं लेना चाहती, so I don't take risks for that reason. Or if you want to try it out, like no, if you're using some other accounts, if you're using this with the same IP or email address, whatever it is, अगर कुछ भी connect होता है तो वो ban हो सकता है, फिर वो unusual activity से वो आपका ban कर देंगे. तो आप
Okay.
Phantom Booster, Phantom Buster है, LinkedIn Helper have you can automate the process. There are other tools as well. Lingdomata, one of the tools they can use it, the automate the entire process, like auto liking, auto commenting, and auto visiting, profile visiting also. But मुझे लगता नहीं है कि उनका फायदा है, क्योंकि अंडरस्टैंड वन पॉइंट, एक हमें लिंक्डइन को यूज करना बिकॉज वी वांट टू गेट सम क्लाइंट्स, राइट? अगर आप वो भी ऑटोमेट कर दोगे सारा कि चलो ठीक है, आप एक दिन में 100 प्रोफाइल विजिट्स कर दो, ये कर दो, वो कर दो, एंड यू डोंट नो वेयर एग्जैक्टली आप ऑटोमेट कर रहे हो. सो व्हाट आई वुड से कि मेक अ लिस्ट दैट यू हैव टू फाइंड 10 clients in the entire month, right? 30 days, 10 clients. Make a goal of it. उसके बाद 10 क्लाइंट्स में डिफाइन कर लो, लाइक 5,000 का ये क्लाइंट होना, जस्ट आई एम जस्ट गिविंग यू एग्जांपल, आई मीन ऐसे नहीं 5,000 रुपए वाले भी क्लाइंट होगा, जस्ट लाइक 10,000 का एक क्लाइंट होगा, देन 20,000 30,000 फिर 50,000 तक का एक क्लाइंट डेटाबेस मैंने बनाया कि मुझे ये चीज चाहिए. Now I'll go and go to LinkedIn and find out the profiles, okay? And I'll go to Facebook group also to just check it out, if whether they people are there or not, if what they are talking about. I'll go to Google also. I'll try to scrap the email. Obviously, आपको जो LinkedIn से email मिल भी जाता है, a lot of people. Generally, पहले हम लोग download कर सकते थे, but now we can't download it due to GDPR, the process. We can't download the email database. But still, you can do it. Like there are other tools also. You can scrape the email ID, but that's not advisable to do it, to be honest, because पहले आपकी अगर आप जो 10 क्लाइंट्स का जो बना रहे हो डेटाबेस, आप उसको उस तरीके से बनाओ, उसके बाद जस्ट कस्टमर जो बायर अवतार है या कस्टमर बायर पर्सोना जैसे बनाते हैं हम लोग, सो मेक इट द एंटायर पर्सोना एंड अकॉर्डिंग टू रीच आउट टू देम. ये नहीं है कि जस्ट यू जस्ट गेटिंग अप एंड यू आर रीचिंग without even having an idea where to whom to reach and how to reach, is just start putting broadcasting the emails everybody. So hi guys, this is Rami. It's just like I made a video. मतलब 10-15 दिन पहले एक वीडियो बनाया था, just like when you broadcast the messages without having an idea of where exactly किसको reach out कर रहे हो, it looks like they even don't reply. So you have to be very careful that अगर मुझे 10 क्लाइंट्स का करने हैं तो मुझे दिन में सिर्फ 5 क्लाइंट्स को रीच आउट करना है. दैट्स अ पोटेंशियल क्लाइंट को रीच आउट करना है. तो एक जो पोटेंशियल क्लाइंट है, तो वी हैव टू गिव लाइक 15-20 मिनट्स, इवन 1 घंटा भी दो, 1 आवर दे दो उसको. देन फाइंड आउट द डिटेल्स, लाइक कि कस्टमर की ईमेल आईडी क्या है, हाउ कुड बी like family, about family colors, like it's just like a how personal you can be, right? So that would be more fruitful instead of broadcasting to everyone. So do
Okay.
it in a way.
Okay. Okay. So now times to start the rapid fire round. Hope you're ready.
Yeah.
Okay. The first
Oh,
question: which affiliate network would you choose? B Commission or Zevizu?
JVZoo. Always. Higher
Okay.
commission.
Now, now, if a person is willing to go for LinkedIn marketing course, what would you prefer? Would he join LinkedIn course, or maybe he can go and search maybe in YouTube or in Google and start learning?
uh, it's just a specific, I do not get the question.
Like suppose like a person wants to learn LinkedIn marketing, okay? So what would
Mhm.
you prefer? Would he go to LinkedIn marketing course and join it, or should he learn by himself through YouTube or any other medium?
We should go with the LinkedIn course specifically to learn about it. There is a reason. Because when you go to YouTube, you don't know what to search and how to search. So there is a possibility that you always will be you might be redirected to different locations, different kind of a course. तो आप ना
Okay.
करते चलते चलते मल्टीपल हो जाता है.
Okay. Now, if I ask Roshni, in which platform you are good? I'm giving you two options: LinkedIn or affiliate marketing.
Ah, I mean,
So
these two
anyone,
options.
because you are good in both, I know that. But still, if you get a chance of doing it, so what would you prefer?
Affiliate marketing for sure. It
Affiliate marketing.
was
Okay.
a hard one, to be honest.
Okay. Now, who would be your favorite influencer? So I'll give you again two options here: Gary Vee or Mr. Gaurav Madan.
Gaurav Madan, any day. I mean, Gary Vee, just okay, he's fine, but I don't need any motivational talks, to be honest. I
Okay.
always try to be very specific about straightforward answer. मुझे जिस तरीके से ट्रेन किया गया है, गौरव हैज ट्रेन मी इन अ वे कि तुम्हें करना है, लड़की हो तो क्या हुआ, तुम्हें करना पड़ेगा, करो इसे. Just like in a way, he has trained
In
me.
fact, I'm also one of the fan of him. He has taught me directly in DSM. I know him, and he has so much of knowledge. I can't tell you.
Right,
इतना
right.
knowledge आता कहाँ से है? God knows, but he has it. And okay, now the last question. Like you have given a course fees of LinkedIn marketing 777, and why not 799?
because 777 is something Gaurav and like we were having a communication that we wanted to start something. 777 should be there or 666 should be there. So we kept it like 777 pocket friendly for everybody. And Gaurav also has started with the same pricing, and I also have started with the same one strategy. And 777 was lucky for us, to be honest. And we have, like, I have already trained a lot of thousands of people now in under 777. Fortunately, I've got the good reviews as well, to be honest. And reason behind 777 is just like a kind of a, though a lot of people don't believe it, it's a lucky number, you can say that.
Okay. So that's it. I guess the time is off. Now I'll just end up the session. So before that, if like if you could add on some message to my audience, or if you want to give some message to my audience.
Okay, so all right. So, guys, I'm a crazy girl in marketing, and
Okay.
now you can see my black hair at the moment because earlier it had golden. So
Oh, it's
I'll
gone. So, anyways, you're
yes.
looking fab. Even if
No,
it
I
was
was
coloring
planning
your
to
fab,
have
now
red
also
colors
it's fab.
back. I'm actually planning to have my red colors back. Soon I'll have that one. So I've just kept it for a change. Yeah. So guys, आपके लिए एक बहुत ही बिंदास सा मैसेज है ये है कि जब भी आप मार्केटिंग स्टार्ट करोगे या कर भी रहे हो ना, so you will probably meet with a lot of useless kind of people also in in your journey. To be honest, so you have to be more powerful. You have to be more kind of a bindas kind of a personality. जो आप कर रहे हो ना, जब भी आपके सामने कोई भी आता है, if that person is saying that you can't do it, or you get any kind of a negative vibes that you can't do it, just get it out of that person. Don't listen to anybody. Okay, you can do it. Have faith in yourself that you can do it. Just do it. और मैं तो ऐसे ही करती हूँ देखो और मुझे पता है आपके लिए भी ऐसे ही होगा. So,
Okay.
Smita, and I know you since long. I mean, we have never interacted in a way, but I know you since long. You have been such a sweet lady, and thank you so much for calling me over here. And
Thanks a lot for coming here and to be a part of this group. And I'm really obliged that you came here and given a live session over here. And I'll also thanks from my audience side to you. And I really want, you are an inspirational lady. Whenever I see your video, I really liked a lot. And I've learned a lot from you. In fact, I have checked all of your videos, like the way you told me now, email marketing, how to download the contacts and all. That's again a part of your video, I guess, right? So I
yeah,
have already checked everything. So I'd also tell my audience, if you have time, just go and check LinkedIn marketing, and you will find Roshni all there. And you join her YouTube channel, start following her, and that's it. Okay, so that's it.
I like
So we'll start.
to highlight a quick message here. So it's like a like big respect to all audience here, whoever is watching this video, and thank you so much for the time, guys. It's not about only the course, to be honest, because I never say that कि course join कर लो तो ही सीखोगे, ऐसा नहीं है, right? Rapid fire is still different, Smita. I'll be very honest upfront here. तो आपको लगता है कि आप कर सकते हो, खुद भी सीख सकते हो, देयर इज नो पुश रिक्वायर्ड फ्रॉम एनी अदर पीपल, देन यू कैन डू इट. गो ऑन यूट्यूब. YouTube पे भी मजा, एटलीस्ट गो ऑन LinkedIn and start using LinkedIn. Okay, follow me there, follow my content, what kind of a content I do, because you can relate it, right? You can tweak it, the content, at least you will have an idea. उतना तो कर सकते हो, है ना? तो पे भी मत करो यार, कोई कोर्स करने की जरूरत नहीं है, जस्ट एटलीस्ट स्टार्ट करो, स्टार्ट यूजिंग इट, क्योंकि दिस इज द बेस्ट वे टू डू इट, दिस इज द बेस्ट टाइम टू डू इट. अगले साल हो सकता है कि सेम रिजल्ट्स नहीं आएंगे और हमारी औकात से बाहर है फिर लिंक्डइन को पे करना एडवर्टीजमेंट का, राइट? I'm being honest here, right? तो
Yeah, it's good
जब
for
तक
B2B
दोनों
business. People who have money, they can always spend it here. That's their choice if they want to do that. And
एग्जैक्टली.
anyways, thanks a lot, Roshni. And I guess we'll again invite you for affiliate marketing sessions once.
श्योर,
Okay.
एफिलिएट, मनी 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 मनी.
Sure. Obviously, at that time, you might be, you can give us some strategy how to do. And I get most of the members, they are actually interested for affiliate marketing. And they
Okay.
wanted course. So I told, please don't go for any course, because first of all, start doing maybe by taking some information which is coming free of cost, try to pull out from YouTube, try to pull out from Google and find it out what exactly it is before dipping into affiliate marketing. So
No, they
that's
don't.
what I
They should not go to for course directly in affiliate marketing. They should have a basic knowledge of in digital marketing. To be honest, guys, अगर आपको अगर directly कोई भी affiliate marketing का course कर रहा है या करना चाहते हो, please don't go for that one because affiliate marketing it involves a lot of marketing strategies, right? So for that one, you have to have a basic knowledge of digital marketing, like how to run social media like Facebook marketing and Google ads or LinkedIn, whatever the social media comes under that category, you have to, have those kind of a knowledge. So don't go with. We'll talk later someday when we decide to have this affiliate marketing session.
sure,
We'll
sure,
discuss.
sure.
As well.
We'll join
Yeah,
you very soon.
sure. I love you
Yeah.
so much, guys, for joining this, and I love you so much, Smita, as well, for inviting me here. So let's
Thank
wrap
you
it
so
up.
much, Roshni, to be here. And that's it. I guess I'll stop the
Sure.
video here from your side. Okay. Bye bye.
Bye.
Bye. Okay, guys. So that was Roshni Dal. So hope कुछ सीखने को मिला आज आपको. So we'll come up with some extra some other day. We'll come up with some other new sessions with somebody else. So till then, bye.